I will try not to be a bit light on the theoretical part, because there's a lot of papers and theoretical studies I can go into regarding range, but that was not my intention in this webinar. What we want to show here is basically what we call a link budget. That means what are the numbers which affect the link budget, or what he would call it the path loss. And the path loss will give you, the more path loss you can accept, the longer your range will be. So here we see this range is will be given by the output power at the transmitter, PT. It will be given by the gain of the transmitter, the gain of the antenna of the receiver. So the gain is referring to the antenna gain here, the sensitivity of the receiver, and the noise level, external noise level at the receiver end. So this is just showing the different factors, and we will then discuss how you as a product owner or a system owner can affect these different things to increase your range. This graph is trying to show the same thing in a more visual way. So the intention of this graph is on the left side, you will see the signal strength through this triangle. So by moving the triangle up and down, up, if you have a more signal strength at your transmitter, and if you have lower signal strength from your transmitter, this will go down. The three diagonal dashed line are showing the loss as a function of distance. And as you see, the sensitivity level is the black line at the bottom. And you see that in an open outdoor environment where you have line of sight, you see the signal can go very far, above 10,000 meters in this case. If you then go to an urban outdoor with a lot of buildings, trees, stuff like that, you will see that the signal, propagation loss is much more steep, and you will get a much shorter range. And in an indoor environment, it's even worse. And then you also see how the noise here affects the range, so that if the noise will be kind of on top of the sensitivity level, which means that the range will hit this noise level first, and thereby reduce the range. So from a visual point of view, we see that we can increase the range by moving to a better environment outdoor. You cannot, of course, change that in real life, but principle, you can do that. You can increase the signal strength by having this triangle on your left side move up. You can increase the range by having the sensitivity level go down, meaning a more sensitive, a radio with better sensitivity. Or you can reduce your noise, and that will also affect the range. Now, this is not something you can change in real life.